Hi, it's Youcook here. Welcome to my channel. For those of you who just found my channel, thank you for stopping by. Today's recipe is mapo tofu. It's one of the traditional Chinese recipes originated from China. I'm using 1 pound of ground pork. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Then add about a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Crack in 1 egg. Mix all the ingredients together. Now let it marinate for a good 20 minutes. I'm using 2 dozen of cherry tomato. Cut it in half. Dice 1/2 of white onion. Mince 1 teaspoon of ginger and 2 teaspoons of garlic. Chop 3 stems of scallion or green onion into smaller pieces. I'm going to dry fry my tofu, therefore firm tofu is the best option for me. I'm just going to lightly fry my tofu to obtain a golden brown around the edges. One side is good enough, then that's it, just like that. Add in chopped onion, saute it for a little bit until it turns lightly golden brown. Once done, scoop out the sauté onion and set aside. Now add in ground pork and saute until meat is cooked. Add in 1 tablespoon of Shao Hsing cooking wine or any type of wine that you have. Add in 2 tablespoons of chili oil. The original recipe for mapo tofu used Sichuan sauce. Since I don't have it, I'm going to go ahead and use chili oil instead. It's less spicy. Now under high heat, I'm going to saute quickly until the meat is cooked. If you don't have time to cook, stir fry is a way to go. Add in 1.5 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Add in sauté onion. Stir frying is a fast and fresh way to cook food when you don't have time. However, you're going to have to stir fry it rapidly so that the ingredients can incorporate together. Add in 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. And fry tofu. And finally, add in tomatoes. Add chopped green onion. That's it for this recipe. It's very simple, easy, and quick to prepare. By the way, for viewers who are new to my channel, do me a favor, click the button below on your right, subscribe. Thank you so much. If you like it more spicy, you can add Tabasco sauce at the end. Tabasco sauce goes really well with this recipe. If you want something quick, this is the meal to go. Thank you so much for your time, support, and thank you for stopping by. Until then, take care.